Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Campendium app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Campendium is a camping and RV app designed to help travelers discover campgrounds, RV parks, and outdoor stays across the US. The app provides detailed listings, user reviews, interactive maps, and route planning tools. It also supports offline access, customizable search filters, and community-contributed insights to enhance trip planning. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Campendium for its straightforward interface, reliable navigation, and comprehensive database of camping locations. It is praised for helping travelers find both popular and off-the-beaten-path sites, read reviews from fellow campers, and plan routes efficiently. Many users also value the offline map feature, which is helpful for remote areas. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some listings may occasionally be outdated, and availability can be limited in certain regions. Certain premium features or subscriptions may be required for full functionality, which might not suit casual users. Additionally, those looking for luxury or highly equipped campgrounds may find options somewhat limited compared to other apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Campendium app may be worth using if you're an RV traveler or camper looking for an easy way to find and plan trips to campgrounds and outdoor destinations. It shines in convenience, reliability, and offline access. However, if you prefer free access or require a wider range of amenities, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.